Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining my present today. My name is Triwulandari. I'm from the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. Today we will discuss about my article presentation entitled Effectiveness of Snake and Ladder Game in Improving Civic Learning Outcome on Norms of Elementary School Students. Next, introduction. The purpose of education according to Ki Hajar Dewantara is to help each learner realize his or her full potential as a human being. Education in Indonesia, in accordance with the law on the national education system, aim to create an environment that supports the teaching and learning process, while developing the spiritual, personal, intellectual, and moral of learners. Civic play an important role in shaping character and moral values, as well as preparing learners to contribute to society and the state. Civic teaches learners to recognize and apply social norms, ethics, and obligations as citizens. To achieve this, it is important for educators to use a variety of interesting learning media, one of which is the snake and ladder game. Research shown that this media can improve student interest and performance in understanding civic material. Next, research objective. The purpose of this study is to explore the use of snake and ladder game media in civic learning, as well as to analyze the learning outcome obtained by students. This research is expected to contribute to improving the quality of civic learning by providing alternative methods that are more fun, increase student interest, and strengthen their civic character. Next, methods. This research was conducted at Public Elementary School 1 Kemasang using a quantitative approach with a quasi-experimental design, meaning there was no random assignment to experimental and control group. The study took place in Kemasan, Boyolali, concerned for its suitability in achieving the research goal. The fourth grade students were in the control group, and the fifth grade students were in the experimental subject. The method was designed to ensure a systematic, unbiased, and meaningful study. Data collection involved tests given to students on civic norms, with the aim of gathering reliable results using efficient method. After conducting prerequisite, normality, and homogeneity tests, the data were analyzed using a t-test to evaluate how effectively the classic snake and ladder game helped primary school children learn civic norms. Next, result and discussions. The study involved 50 students from grades 4 and 5 of public Elementary School 1 Kemasan in Boyolali, with the aim of finding out whether the use of snake and ladder game in civic learning can improve student performance and standardized tests. The research design used was a quasi-experiment in which the fourth grade class the research standardized instruction served as the control group, and the fifth grade class that used the snake and ladder game media as the experimental group. A standardized test was used to evaluate student learning outcome. However, this evaluation only covered cognitive aspect and did not take into account not cognitive aspects such as attitude and moral understanding. Test data was analyzed using metrics such as mean, standard deviation, maximum, minimum, and model. The study also considered factors that could affect student learning outcome, such as physical and mental condition on the day of the test, parental support, and student experience with snakes and ladder game. Descriptive analysis and statistical testing were used to determine whether this approach was effective in improving student learning outcome. Next, based on descriptive statistic, the experimental group using the snake and ladder game media obtained a Higger mean score 85.04, then the control group 76.70. The results in the experimental group were also more uniform, with a lower standard deviation 4.857, then the control group 5.988, indicating more stable and consistent results. Score in the experimental group ranged from 80 to 96, while the control group had score as low as 64. Although the most common score in both classes was 80, the experimental class consistently saw higher score. This result indicates that the snake and ladders game help students in learning civic. Next, based on the result of the normality test, the sig value is 0.035 control class and 0.019 experimental class. Since the value is greater than 0.05, so the data is not normally distributed. Therefore, the use of non-parametric test when Whitney is appropriate to compare the two groups. Next, based on the result of the homogeneity test, the sig value based on mean is 0.332, since this value is greater than 0.05. So the data is homogeneous. Delta net is not normally distributed, so it uses non-parametric tests. Next, the hypothesis in this study is there are differences in the learning outcome of civic learning material on student norms in the control and experimental class. Based on the result of the main Whitney test, which saw a significant value of 0.000, since the value is less than 0.05, which means that the alternative hypothesis is accepted and the null hypothesis is rejected. This result indicates that there is a significant difference between student learning outcome in the control class, which use standard instruction, and the experimental class, which use snake and leader game. Civic learning outcome of public elementary school One Kemasan students on the subject matter were positively influenced by the snake and ladder game. The next, best conclusion. Based on the research finding, it can be concluded that the snake and ladder game has a positive impact on student learning outcome in learning civic. That it has shown a significant difference between the experimental and control group, say 0.000, since the value is less than 0.05, which indicates that the snake and ladder game method is more effective in improving student learning outcome compared to the conventional method. The snake and ladder game create an interactive and fun learning atmosphere, increase student motivation, and help them internalize civic concept in a practical context. The game also reduces anxiety and boredom and provide quick feedback to students. Further, research could involve other variables such as learning motivation or social skill, as well as involving longer time and variation in game difficulty level. Similar experiments could also be conducted at other educational level, junior high school or high school, to see the applicability of the snake and ladder game at higher levels. That's all the presentation for me. Any more or less apologies. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.